If you are asking whether MoneyLion gives loans for bad credit, you are not alone. Many people struggle to get approved by traditional banks because of low credit scores, missed payments, or limited credit history. In this video, I will clearly explain how MoneyLion works, what type of loans or cash advances they offer, and whether it is a realistic option if your credit is not perfect. First, it is important to understand that MoneyLion is not a traditional bank in the usual sense. It is a financial technology company that offers digital banking, cash advances, credit builder tools, and personal finance features. Because of this structure, MoneyLion looks at more than just your credit score when deciding if you qualify for money. So, does MoneyLion give loans for bad credit? The short answer is yes, but not in the way most people expect. MoneyLion does not focus heavily on your FICO score. Instead, it uses alternative data such as your income, spending habits, and account activity. This makes it easier for people with bad credit, or no credit history to access funds. One of the most popular options MoneyLion offers is its cash advance feature, commonly known as Instacash. This is not a traditional loan. It is an interest-free cash advance that allows you to access a portion of your future income before payday. Depending on your eligibility, you may be able to get anywhere from a small amount to several $100s. There are no credit checks for Instacash, which makes it especially attractive for people with poor credit. To qualify for Instacash, you usually need a recurring income, such as a salary, benefits, or regular deposits. MoneyLion analyzes your transaction history to determine how much you can safely advance. Repayment is typically automatic when your next deposit comes in. This reduces the risk for MoneyLion and removes the stress of manual repayments for users. MoneyLion also offers a Credit Builder Plus program. This is designed specifically for people with bad credit who want to improve their credit score over time. With this feature, you receive a small loan that is placed into a secure account. You make monthly payments and those payments are reported to major credit bureaus. Over time, consistent payments can help improve your credit profile. It is important to note that Credit Builder Plus is not instant free money. It is a structured financial product meant to help you build or rebuild credit responsibly. If you are serious about fixing your credit, this can be a useful tool, especially compared to high-interest payday loans. Another question people often ask is whether MoneyLion charges high interest rates. For cash advances, there is no interest. However, optional express delivery fees may apply if you want the money instantly. For Credit Builder and other loan-related products, fees are usually transparent and lower than many subprime lenders, but you should always read the terms before applying. Now let us talk about eligibility. Even with bad credit, you still need to meet certain requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, have a valid bank account, and show consistent income or account activity. If your account is inactive or unstable, approval may be limited or denied. Bad credit alone does not disqualify you, but lack of income often does. If you are comparing MoneyLion to traditional lenders, the biggest advantage is accessibility. Banks often reject applicants with low credit scores immediately. MoneyLion, on the other hand, focuses on your current financial behavior. This makes it a practical option for people trying to get back on their feet financially. However, MoneyLion is not a long-term solution for large loans. If you need thousands of dollars for major expenses, this may not be the right platform. It works best for short-term cash needs, emergency expenses, or credit rebuilding. Before applying, it is wise to ask yourself what you need the money for. If you need quick access to cash without damaging your credit further, MoneyLion's cash advance can be useful. If your goal is to improve your credit score over time, the Credit Builder option may be more appropriate. In summary, MoneyLion does offer financial options for people with bad credit, mainly through cash advances and credit building products rather than traditional loans. There is no hard credit check for many features, approval is based on income and activity, and the platform is designed to be more flexible than banks. If you are currently struggling with bad credit and looking for a practical way to access funds or rebuild your credit, MoneyLion may be worth considering. Always review the fees, understand the repayment process, and use these tools responsibly. If you found this explanation helpful and you are thinking about applying, check the description for more details on how to get started with MoneyLion today.